Welcome back to my channel DevOps Thiago. Today I go to show how to install Docker on macOS. All the information you need will be in my Git repository, and I put the link in the description for this video. The first step, you need to download the app for install Docker. So click in this link and this go to open the page for Docker. And you have two versions. The first version is for M1, M2, M3 processor, and the second one is for Intel chips. So I go to use the Intel chips because my computer uses Intel. Save, and let's wait a little bit to download the application. Okay, the application is almost finished, the download. Just click in the file. After they open, you need to drag and drop this file for application. Let's go to copy the file to the application. Let's take a little time. Let's waiting and I will come back. Okay, they finished to copy the file to application. Now you need to click to open this file. So now they started the verify the file from Docker and make the installation. Okay, they finish verify the installation. Now you can open the file and they start run Docker. Docker starts running your machine and you can double check that when you see the green light in here. So let's do some configurations. So you can click in here and go to resource, and you can put the limits the CPU you want to you Docker using in your machine. So let me cancel that. Now let's check, verify the installation is working fine. So paste, you see the version Docker running, and let's start our first container in this machine. Go back to my GitHub, copy this command, let's paste that in the terminal, and if you have this message, Docker is working fine. Please let me know if you have any problem. Send a comment in my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please let me know. So I see you in the next video.